one of the things that everyone has to go for every year in the UK is an MOT. I don't know if you have these in America. I'm not quite sure what the safety rules are in America, but here we have to have an MOT every 12 months. It's a test that will go over the whole car. It will make sure that it's roadworthy and safe. So you know the car won't veer off and hit a child or your nan or something. So the BMW went for its MOT the other day and it failed miserably. I'll put the list up here. What we're doing today, we're just going to crack on with a bit of welding. We've got 2 patches of welding we need to do, a couple other bits, so we'll go through those, show you what we're doing. Let's go. Some of you might have noticed that on that list of MOT failures, one was the horn not working. Now, if you watched my previous video, we fixed the horn. Yeah, the wiring came out, didn't it? It kind of came out and it doesn't really exist anymore. So, okay, we need to fix that too.
So what I'm doing here is I don't have a clue.
So the car's all welded up now. Also, I've adjusted the handbrake as well. Just done that by adjusting the shoes inside the disc, which you can get through this hole here, and that will adjust the shoe inside the disc itself to sort out that issue. Next thing is to get some tyres on there. We've sorted out the horn, but that'll be on the next video. So stay tuned, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.
I like when you say that.
You look beautiful.